Hello, my friends. Can you believe it? I don't know what happened here, but 2024 is gone. Like, wait a minute. I don't even remember 2024. Is this insane or what? It's like we must be having fun, right? Because time is flying. Guess what? 2025 is right around the corner. It is right here. And we have an amazing year planned at the Stamps of Life. Ken and I sat down and had our year-end meeting, and next year is probably going to be our best yet. I can really feel it because so many awesome things are going to happen. Let me just tell you, I am so excited about the future. I'm so excited about the new year, and we have so many awesome things that are going to happen that I cannot wait to share with you. I'm going crazy. Do you know how hard it is for me not to say things? Ugh, it's crazy, but I want to wish you a very, very, very happy new year from all of us at the Stamps of Life to you. Are you ready for the best year yet? Here it comes, 2025. It's even a special number, 2025. I can't wait. Hold your horses, keep your socks on, sit down and buckle that seatbelt, put your life jackets on because it's going to be a doozy. I will see you in 2025. Take care. Bye-bye.